Hello, Dr. Buns and fellow Research Methods students. Welcome to my introduction video. So today seems like it will be a brief introduction on me and kind of my experience with research and what I hope to get out of this course. So I have the prompt in front of me here. What knowledge and experience do I have that relates to research or evidence-based practice? So I did my, first of all, I live in Lynchburg, Virginia, which is where Liberty University is. So I did my undergrad and graduate degree through Liberty University. And the thesis to my master's, my graduate degree was the effect of deep breathing on the autonomic nervous system and recovery for aerobic endurance. So basically what I did was I had two different recovery protocols. One of them included a deep breathing protocol, and that was paired between two VO2 max tests. So the actual research study was pretty tough for my subjects, but what I found was that a deep breathing protocol can actually help bring the heart rate down faster, improve heart rate recovery, and then the actual only statistically significantly different variable was that the blood lactate actually reduced to a greater degree after the breathing intervention. So I do have one true research study that I've done from beginning to end all the way through, and I really learned a lot through the whole process of doing it. You know, everything from going through the city training to the protocol design, which was really interesting. I definitely could not have done that without my thesis chair, Dr. Peevler, really helped me out a lot with that. So yeah, I really only have a little bit of actual hands-on research experience, but that was obviously the full thing, from the design and data collection, statistical analysis, and then the presentation of the actual thesis. Other than that, I really love reading research. Obviously, the research that pertains to the stuff I'm interested in is, honestly, at this point, it's pretty easy reading. Some of the things that I'm particularly interested in is really it's tactical strength and conditioning is kind of my main focus. Within that, I think the literature on endurance sports and strength sports and sports psychology, there's a lot that goes into it, but my biggest interest is exercise physiology related to endurance. So that's a little bit of kind of my preference. So the next question, I kind of just answered it. What are you most interested in learning about? For this class, I think I could benefit a lot from learning how to actually implement the research that I do and that I learn from into my coaching. Because there's obviously, you can have the knowledge, but transferring it from the research paper into a coaching and athletic setting is something that I think I'm pretty good at, but I can definitely improve a lot, because we all kind of do it, but we have recency bias, and when we get excited about one thing, we kind of jump all on it. I mean, you see that a lot with a lot of the trends. Most of us in this class just had the current issues and trends class, and I know in my class we talked about stuff like foam rolling and ice baths and new like biohacking stuff, and a lot of it is trends, not necessarily good or bad, but I like to be better at implementing research into my daily practice without getting overly excited about every new paper that I read. What's next? Information for this course on my own endeavors. Again, improve my coaching, and I'm also going to start teaching some classes as adjunct at Liberty University this fall. So yeah, those two endeavors, other than my own personal interest, which is really drives me, my own interest to read and learn is just as strong as my interest to improve myself in my capacity in whatever role I'm in. What I expect to gain from this course, again, I really want to learn how to put practical meaningfulness behind the research that I read from. I guess it'd be appropriate to say kind of learn about what external validity I can draw from the studies that we read and talk about. Yeah, so I think that pretty much covers this introductory video. Thanks for watching. I'm looking forward to getting to know all y'all. Thank you.